Elbit Systems, a leading defense technology company, has recently announced its successful bid to supply 2 long-range patrol aircraft to an undisclosed Asia-Pacific country. However, it is widely believed that the recipient is the Philippines, as the Philippine Air Force has been actively pursuing an LRPA program, with Elbit Systems being the favored contender. This significant contract, valued at $114 million, marks a crucial milestone in the modernization efforts of the Philippine military. Under the contract, Elbit Systems will employ the ATR-72-600 turboprop aircraft platform as the foundation for the LRPA. This versatile aircraft will be equipped with a range of cutting-edge technologies, including a mission management system, radar, electro-optics, signal intelligence, and advanced communication systems. The primary focus of the LRPA will be on maritime and ground surface intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. While anti-submarine warfare capabilities will not be included in the initial requirements, the LRPA will play a crucial role in bolstering the country's maritime security. The ability to conduct comprehensive surveillance operations across vast areas of the Philippines' territorial waters will greatly enhance the country's situational awareness and response capabilities. The absence of ASW capabilities in the LRPA procurement has led to speculation that the Philippine Navy may seek its own dedicated maritime patrol aircraft under the Horizon 3 phase. The Horizon 3 phase of the Armed Forces of the Philippines modernization program is focused on acquiring assets that will reinforce the country's maritime defense capabilities. By procuring its own MPA, the Philippine Navy would further strengthen its ability to detect and deter potential threats, particularly in the maritime domain. An MPA would offer advanced ASW capabilities, enabling the Philippine Navy to effectively monitor and counter undersea activities that could pose a risk to national security. Elbit Systems' successful contract bid to supply 2 LRPA aircraft to the Philippines signifies a significant step forward in the modernization efforts of the Philippine military. The LRPA, based on the ATR-72-600 turboprop platform and equipped with state-of-the-art technology, will enhance the country's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities in both maritime and ground surface operations. While the LRPA will not initially include anti-submarine warfare capabilities, the Philippine Navy is anticipated to pursue its own dedicated maritime patrol aircraft to address this critical requirement. Such an acquisition would further fortify the country's maritime defense posture, ensuring enhanced security and situational awareness in the Philippines' vast territorial waters. As the Philippines continues its modernization journey, strategic defense partnerships with leading global technology providers like Elbit Systems play a pivotal role in strengthening the country's defense capabilities and safeguarding its national interests.